Cleansing. Use a mild shampoo free of toxic chemicals. Avoid excessive shampooing. 3 times a week is sufficient. Rinse thoroughly to remove all product residue. Conditioning. Apply conditioner after shampooing to moisturize and detangle. Focus on the mud lengths and ends. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticles. Moisturizing. Use a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to keep hair hydrated. Apply hair masks or deep conditioners once a week. Drying and styling. Pat dry hair gently with a microfiber towel to avoid friction. Air dry whenever possible. Limit heat styling and use heat protectants. Protection. Protect hair from UV rays by wearing a hat or using UV protective products. Avoid chlorine exposure. Rinse hair after swimming. Use silk or satin pillowcases to prevent friction. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, so adapt your routine based on your hair type, concerns, and lifestyle. Consult a professional stylist for personalized advice. Follow us on social media. Like, share, subscribe.